one of the most expensive mushroom, guys. So seasonal ni siya. Yummy yummy mushroom. Yeah, as you see guys, no, matulis yung ano niya guys, yung puno. Ayan. So tomorrow check natin kung may bagong tubo na mushroom. So, finally, after 8 years, guys, no, since na ako di sa syudad, nagtrabaho, so, nakakita yun ko mushroom. This is my most favorite mushroom, guys. See? So, limpyo ni siya, guys, kay wala kami mga kanal dire or garbage. So, kani siya kay charcoal, ang gini siya, no? Kag puno sang palm tree. Okay? So, merong tumubo na mushroom dito guys, no. So kunin ko to siya guys. So tamang-tama ano, malapit na siyang mag-overdue like after a day or tomorrow. So next day meron namang tutubo dito guys, no. So this is the mushroom. Okay? Lovely mushroom. This is one of my favorites. So hanap tayo ulit guys.